Hello and welcome back to another edition of Clutch Talk. All right, so today I got something pretty special for you guys. I'm really excited about this. MCB just released its latest clutch, and I'm going to tell you all about all the new features and all the things that's made them great so far. This is a freshly released redesign, and this just came out. It's available to buy, and this may be the most bulletproof clutch that you can buy. This is going to be good for the XP 1000, XP 900, 800 motors, and even some of their four-wheeler lines. So there may be a lot of clutches that can claim that they're just all the same, but the MCB is a redesigned clutch. It may look the same in a lot of ways, but there's a lot of key features that are going to help make this thing bulletproof. They've continued on with all the great things for the one that I'm running currently. Almost 2,000 miles on this and no issues whatsoever. If you want to see my 1,500 mile review, you can go check that out, where I take it apart, test all the components, see if they're loose. I have tons of other clutch videos you can check out. That way you can see how much care that I put into whether or not this is going to be a good recommendation for you. But based on their performance of their old one, I'm super excited about this. And this may be the last clutch you'll ever need. Before I talk about their latest bulletproofing of these things, I'm going to let Matt from MCB show you on his video the torn apart clutch and all the previous upgrades. And then we'll get into talking about this latest generation upgrade. I got a little sneak peek about the next video. MCB also does turbo clutches and Pro XP clutches. Check this out. You'll see that on the next video.
Matt with MCB Performance here. Today we wanted to do a video going over the differences or the advantages of the MCB Pro-series clutches. The biggest difference in our fixed sheave versus Polaris and everyone else's is we have our spider is splined instead of threaded. If you look at any stock Polaris or anybody else's, you have to thread the spider on to assemble the clutch. The advantage of a spline versus threaded is we have seen over the years several cases where the jam nut and spider come loose during rides. The other big difference is the stock jam nut is only a 3/8 of an inch tall, giving you 2.5 or about 1/4 inch of thread engagement and or thread Loctite. With ours, we have what's called a threaded collar. We have 1.25 inches of threads getting engagement and giving you the Loctite. The other advantage of this collar ties into our faceplate design. When we thread the collar onto our clutch, we are making the main post 38 millimeters in diameter versus 28 millimeters in diameter. That gives you a 44% increase in surface area of the bushing in the faceplate. That increase is significant in keeping the entire movable sheave assembly from, as the bushings wear, when the belt loads it, it starts to cock or bind. The more surface area you can have both on your movable sheave bushing and your faceplate bushing, the longer you will keep that parallel to the fixed sheave, running truer, reducing heat, reducing binding. The next advantage of the MCB clutch is in the spider. All stock Polaris clutches have a spider puck that's 16.9 millimeters in diameter. Our puck is a rectangle. It's 22 by 26 millimeters. We're using the entire surface area that it pushes off of on the movable sheave. With ours being the size that it is, that's a 2.5 times more surface area, or 250% more surface area. That's the advantage of the MCB Pro-series clutch. They come with a 1-year warranty, and if you do a review on them, I think you'll find that people, for the most part, are very happy.
All right, so that's a lot of great stuff, a lot of great information. No one can explain it better than he can. He's the one designing and building these clutches and testing them primarily. But we get the awesome opportunity to be the first one for this next generation. This has all the other things, the larger diameter, enforced billet plate, the oversized pucks that ride on the full surface area, the spline shaft instead of the one that can backspin and separate. So now the thing that I'm most excited about on this latest revision, fresh off the press, they've taken the aluminum sheaths and plated them with stainless steel so that they can't rub and wear thin. So now you have extra surface on your pucks and an almost indestructible surface area on your sheaths. So this is not going to wear out. It's not going to get sloppy and loose for a very, very long time. As he mentioned in the video, that the aluminum starts to wear and starts to create a gap, and that's when you're going to start to destroy your pucks, and you're going to start to get bound up clutches where they can't slide in and out because they're no longer parallel with each other. So this is going to be the start of our journey testing this. This is June 22nd of 2025. I'm going to give you honest review. We're going to put this thing on the RZR right now, and then subscribe to this channel to see how this lasts, see how it holds up, and we'll be giving you all the details coming up in the future. I'm going to leave a link to Matt's YouTube channel and Matt's website where you can order these based off the testing we did on his version 1 model that didn't even include the pucks, but it had the increased diameter and the billet plate and the splines. It's lasted 2,000 miles. This has lasted almost twice as long as my stock clutch did, and it's affordable. For the price of just rebuilding the internals on a stock, you can buy a whole clutch tuned for your riding style, ready to go out of the box. You just pop your old one off, pop the new one on, you're ready to go. These are even affordable enough you can keep a spare in stock. Hopefully we'll be seeing a new video from Matt giving more detail on these, but for right now, I'm super stoked about this. This clutch may outlast your motor. Also, if you're new to this channel, stick around. We've got a lot of awesome engineered projects that we do. I completely built this pit on my own, did all the hydraulic work, the welding, the digging. Great playlists on the channel. Check them out. I've had a little delay in my channel putting out videos because I'm kind of retooling to be able to use a 3D printer to do new products and new designs that are going to be soonly available to you to print or to buy. Just check out some of these things that we've already got going, and drop a comment if you can guess what these things are going to be. And as always, we're the home of the original sliding UTV trailer, and you can see all that content. Be sure to check out the rest of our channel. I have everything playlisted and categorized for your convenience. Just go to my homepage, go to my playlist. We got videos digging this pit, videos building the X-frame, videos building and testing our sliding trailer, product reviews of clutches, testing out air jacks, building new tools, car repairs, lawnmower repairs, doing crazy ways to mix concrete, fixing our failures. It's all there. Tons of detailed documentation on all my processes. If you're someone who likes building and knowing all the little details, this is the channel for you. So make sure you're subscribed, and we'll make sure and get you some new content on this brand new clutch. I'm excited for y'all to be here. Leave a comment. Tell us what you like about the channel. Tell us what you don't like about the channel. And we'll be seeing you on the next video.
Don't do that.